So we were founded in 1832 as a private members club, which we still are now. And one of the troubles with private members clubs is trying to stay up to date and relevant. We had a whole series of meeting rooms and attic spaces, which in 2019 we took the decision and got planning permission to turn into 20 bedrooms, which the project was completed last June. So when we first started the project, working in a club that had no bedrooms, we were starting from scratch and we didn't know what we wanted. And visiting some different shows and speaking to colleagues and friends in the industry, we wanted something that was going to sort of future-proof as much as you can with technology, because it changes so quickly. But we wanted something that was very easy to use, and rather than having lots of bits of paper all around the desks with menus, we wanted to be able to put menus on the screen, have it interactive, and then it sort of got me thinking of, I wonder if there is such a thing that you can mirror your television like I can with at home. And yes, of course there was, and it was so much more than I thought it was going to be. And we just wanted something that respected the standard within a room. So when we started the process, we were looking at various alternatives, and Airwaves was the company that really suited us for our needs, and had recommended the Airwave system in conjunction with Samsung hotel televisions, which we put in. We only have 20 bedrooms, but 20 is 20 more than we had before, and everything that we have had has really worked. And as I said earlier, it works for the lowest common denominator, which often is that 80-year-old member who really doesn't know too much about IT, and myself as well, and it really, really works. One of the key things for me over the last 2 years of building the bedrooms was ensuring that we had fantastic sort of suppliers and consultants on board who came in to essentially a COVID shut down building site, and nothing was ever too much trouble for the Airwaves team. And we just, from word go, there were always issues, as there always is when you have 70 odd people working on a building site, and together we overcame them, and I have to say it was a joy to work.
There's something very special about the City of London Club: the history, the tradition, the style, the people. These walls here could tell 1,000 stories. Naturally, here at Airwave, we're very proud to supply the Guest TV and AV entertainment system to such an iconic property. I'd really recommend a visit.